Ka jingrakhi ka Republic dia ka banyu puar hakanong ba Shillong ka Blalong Hamadan Pulu ha ka ba ulat ka Jalau Satyapal Malik lolong kongsan mat penher ya kalmalai rong kari ha ka ju apor lok pun kuburam ya laingut kiru pok mat ka Jala ya ka khusnam utrot sing awon na ka bentak art and literature layok pediang do ba Rafael Wajri ka khusnam patukan en sangma na ka bentak social service layok do Reverend Dilseng M Sangma wat ukyang nang ba awon na ka bentak sport layok do samla hamishan ya suyam Habakran kumukongsan hakatai kasngi umalik uloong bak sarkar kan dep mancim sibun kilat kilanti kumno ban kanti yoga yoga kat hakajala pat ka sarkar kan tresitam ban pe yakini kisipos nem kibonwan ka jala maglia kan long kawei na pedeng kisipo tuli ki jala ki blakio hakari India
to irrigate paddy fields during winter.
However, sometime along the way we lost touch with Mother Nature, thereby swaying.
Smoking of fish is an ancient practice of our state.
We also remember Meghalaya's own patriots, U Tiroz Singh, U Kiang Nangba, Pa Togan and Sangama, and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to greet the members of the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and the police force. The overall law and order situation in the state continues to be peaceful. We began this decade with a vision and promise of Meghalaya decade, a decade that would witness Meghalaya progressing to be among the top 10 Indian states within the next 10 years, both in terms of per capita income and achievement of sustainable development goals. The government on multiple occasions has already laid out the overall developmental paradigm for the short, medium and long terms to improve the well-being of each and every citizen of Meghalaya. The state government is committed to ensure welfare of the tribal and non-tribal residents in the state, to ensure peace, harmony and overall development of the state. To realize the vision, the government began in earnest with various schemes and programs. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, I am happy to say that most of our initiatives are on track. The greatest achievement, however, during the last year has been the management of COVID-19 pandemic itself. Meghalaya continues to be amongst the states with the lowest number of active cases and case fatality rates. The government's effort in dealing with the pandemic have been appreciated nationally and even by the World Health Organization.